guys. So today, I'm actually selling the Forester. It's kind of sad, I've had the Forester for 3 years now. It's meant to be a daily, but I've only driven it like 10,000 miles in like 3 years, which is nothing. Some guy from Sacramento is actually gonna come in and pick it up today. Being that it's an XT, stick, low miles, I'm the second owner. I've literally got the sticker to the car right here. Yeah, that's lined up. Okay, yeah. So I actually got the sticker to the car, which is kind of neat. It's, you know, it's a really clean car, and I know in like 20 years time, it's probably gonna be worth way too much money. You watch. Yeah, sick. Yeah. Okay. Might scrape. Alright, I think we're good, boys. I think we're good. Almost sold. Alright, so I made it to this parking garage. I'm gonna get a few glamour shots for you guys, just show you around the car, and so in the future I can look back and be like, dang, I had it all. This is my former Forester XT, 2005 Forester XT. Well, that was the last drive. Sad day. Enjoy her. Thank you. And that's all she wrote. Alright, so if I put these sunglasses on sometimes throughout the video, it's because the sun is like going in and out of clouds. I usually don't have sunglasses on, so yeah, apologies if I do. But we're gonna be doing a Q&A today. That was the hypest, well, I don't know what this was. I also got my AirPods in because I'm recording audio because the wind might cut that audio out, so I wanna be extra prepared, I guess you could say. But anyways, I put up on my Instagram and I asked people, I'm like, hey, what questions do you have for me? Of course, there's a bird right there. Why wouldn't there be? All right, we're back. The bird is gone now. No, I didn't do what you think I did. Anyways, this is from Sunday Night Media. Shout out to you. You're always watching the videos. I respect you. He said, plans for any car shows in 2021. Well, if they even happen in the first place, honestly, I'm not confident that there's gonna be any car shows in 2021. Maybe very, very late 2021, but like stuff like Stan Tours and WECFest, I feel like it's not gonna happen this year. This one's from GCA.bit. He said, is your mother as much as an angel as you are? Yes, I love her very dearly. This one's from 04 Subaru. Subaru. He said, what keeps you going, and was there a point in your life where you said no more? So what keeps me going is just the idea of what does keep me going? Well, this keeps me going, that's for sure, but I don't rely on my car for complete happiness. I guess just like not letting people down. I'm a very motivated human being. Things such as dreams are more or less goals rather than just far-fetched dreams that are never gonna happen. And I'm trying to achieve those every single day. And I just don't wanna let people down. Like people like my mom, for example, I don't want her to be let down because I wasn't successful in life or something like that. And then in terms of just like when I'm having a bad day or whatever, you just gotta remind yourself like, hey, you've got friends that love you dearly, you got family that loves you dearly. Whether you think it or not, there's people out there that care for you, and if they woke up tomorrow and you weren't there, life would be very different without you. This one's from Lil Invest. Should I get air cups? Yes. That's what I want to do with this, because as you can see, this thing's on the floor. This is one of the very few times that my car is in one piece. Alex_1330 said, are you planning to keep the car, and if so, What are some future mods, such as bags? Yes, this car is going literally nowhere. I don't care how tempted I am to get a truck like every other Subaru driver is for some odd reason. But yeah, no, this car's not going anywhere. I put way too much time, money. I put every single adjective you could possibly come up with into this car. As far as future plans, I do want to get air cups. As much as I love being static, having that assist going over the speed bumps in my apartment complex would be just so freaking nice. I want to get a carbon roof because my roof, a tree branch-ish fell on it and then just dented the heck out of it, so that's good. And I just want to redo the whole body of the car, and I might just do the same color again because I really like this color. It's not World Rally Blue, by the way, if you're wondering. It is the wrap. I'm gonna have a video coming out on Friday after this video, and it's gonna be a build overview of basically my whole car. It's gonna be basically a car check. I'm gonna be going around like saying what's this, what's all that, every single nook and cranny. So stay tuned for that. If you're ever wondering what's on my car, what do you think is on my car, whatever it might be, I'll have a video be coming out at the end of this week. Would you swap a 6-speed in your bug out? Yes, but they're expensive, so I could just go buy another car if I wanted to, honestly. Yeah, what made you want a Subaru? Ben_Highmark asked. Honestly, they're just really cheap. I mean, I got this for 4,800 bucks, and they're pretty easy to work on. The parts are usually pretty cheap, and there's a pretty solid community. It's a good first car to get, but if you do get a Subaru as your first car, please don't straight pipe it. Thank you. How do you stay motivated with your car and not lose interest ever? O2 Bug said. I mean, honestly, you just gotta remember the end goal. Like, if something goes wrong with this car, like right now, this transmission, I swear to God, has COVID. It is so right now, but it's like, I'm just like, you see me, I'm smiling about it, I'm laughing about it. You can't let cars control your happiness entirely. Yes, they should be able to provide happiness, and I feel like for a lot of us, it provides us happiness, and I wouldn't just give up on your car just because one thing goes wrong. Like, if you do that in life with everything, you're not gonna get anywhere, so. Unimpressive said, what's something special on your car not many people take notice of? Honestly, and this might come as a surprise to you guys, but the fact that I'm on coilovers, there's a lot of people out there that still don't know that I'm on coilovers. They always assume I'm on bags, and that alone is just kind of a cool thing. Thank you, son, for going away. Giants_fan2490 said, IS300, good first car? Yes. I'm gonna have a video coming out, I don't know when, but I'm gonna compare basically the IS300 to the Wrx because I feel like there's a lot of people that really want both of these types of cars, maybe more Subaru than the Lexus, but in my personal opinion, it is a much more value than a Wrx for relatively the same price. So the resting Mitch face said, how in the world can you afford to replace 10 broken lips, LMAO? Well, I work. Xturdia said, tips on how to get rolling with making vlogs. Interested in doing it myself. Just do it. Like, legitimately, if you've watched any automotive YouTuber, they usually give some sort of spiel on how do I get into this, how do I get popular, how do I get famous. They always pretty much say the same thing. They say, you know, just be consistent, just be you, because you are the best out there. There's no one else like you. And you know, you can go make the same content as every other YouTuber. You can go, you know, make content like Adam LZ if you have, you know, 10,000 to throw at every single video. You can, you know, go make content like Casey Neistat where you just have a bunch of time lapses and it's just him running around cities for, you know, 5 minutes straight. You could completely do that, and that's fine, but I have a feeling people are not going to want to watch you unless you are being you. So just be you, be yourself, be creative. What I try to do is I have a big whiteboard at home, and I basically just write ideas down on what I think is a good idea, what I think is a bad idea, whatever it might be. I might even just write a word down, and I will just bounce off of that word. If you know Mr. Beast, if you don't, I don't know where you've been. What he does is he actually opens up a dictionary, randomly flips through it, and then clicks on a word, and then he's just like, okay, cool, let's just brainstorm ideas about that. So maybe that's an idea for you. There's a ton of ways to do it. Be consistent, set yourself a schedule, do it once a week even. I started doing it twice a week, and the channel is growing exponentially right now. Thank you, I really appreciate you guys. And the views are just going way up, and everyone's enjoying the content. I'm enjoying the content. I'm enjoying making the content. Like, I am so motivated right now with YouTube. So yeah, just be consistent, be motivated, just do it. Just essentially do it. Be yourself. Don't be like embarrassed to be out in public with a camera. Like, it doesn't matter. Just do it. Not too hard. Also, get your friends involved. Diamond said, I'm sorry, this is a Norwegian name. I don't know. It's Diamond Helene. Who's your best friend in Norway? It's you. I'm not pronouncing your name again. Of course, the sun goes away. Really? Is the sun gonna come out again? I'm sorry, guys. I'm not good at this, am I? Wacko_Jacko_22. I think it's a double underscore. Wow. How much did it cost you for the Subaru and all the mods? So the original price is 4,800 bucks, and not including things I've sold. I actually calculated this out earlier, and this is the only time I'm going to say this. So stop asking me. The amount of money I put into the car is irrelevant because half the money has gone to fixing the damn thing. So just buy a good car in the first place and you won't have all these problems. But anyways, I've probably put upwards of 60 grand in my car, not including things I've sold, so maybe it'll go down, up, I don't really know, but yeah, right around 60K. So FR_Tommy said, what is the best and worst thing about your car? Best thing about my car also happens to be the worst thing about it. It's probably the coilovers. It's just fun. It's just fun scraping around. Like, it puts a smile on your face more than anything else. Like, you can be going 5 miles an hour, breaking necks down the road and just having a smile on your face. But it's also the worst thing on my car because I've probably broken like $15,000 worth of stuff just because I'm on a set of coilovers. Yes, I know, get bags. I know, the comment section is just gonna go freaking wild. Relax, guys. Or go comment, because then it makes my video pop up and recommended, so. After you bought the car, what was the first mod? By the way, I love your build. Thanks, Timapes? I think I just had a stroke. Thank you, appreciate it. So my first mod, I think, was actually a license plate relocator kit. I moved it from there to there because I lived in California and I didn't want to get tickets, but then like 5 minutes later, I just took it off. JDM_spottings_ said, what got you into car? Love that. I went to a car show a car meet that was called Supercar Sunday down in Woodland Hills, California. And I went pretty much every single Sunday, and you would see people like Jay Leno there. I saw Caitlyn Jenner there, which was very interesting. Yeah, and then ever since I've just been in love with cars. I saw Carrera GT, I read Carrera GT. I remember the day seeing that, and it was so pretty, and that was like one of my favorite cars. It still is my favorite car, actually. But yeah, that pretty much got me into cars. And then I saw Subaru on the freeway when I was like 14, and I just told myself I'm gonna have a blue Subaru with a big wing on it, and here we are. Dreams do come true. Random I am 23 said, at what point do you say, screw it, I'm done breaking lip spoilers? Soon, hopefully. Gigion.wrx said, do you ever plan on going wide body? No. What are you most proud of DIYing on your car? Said bluebaru.lgt.wagon. The splitter, without a doubt, because I've built a company off of making these things. I originally made it and I liked how it was, and then people wanted it, and now I'm putting my sunglasses on. And then yeah, I made a company out of it, so probably one of my prouder moments. If you wrapped your car, what color would you choose? Said Snickle_Fritz. Well, it is wrapped. So, blue? Yeah. Quentin_Smith said, your drive for happiness stands out. What is your favorite thing to do to go relax, to let go of stress? Thank you, appreciate that, by the way. Honestly, I just go work on my car or keep myself distracted. I watch Sidemen on YouTube. They are my favorite YouTube channel, and they can brighten anyone's day. Like KSI's laugh, if you know KSI, his laugh is contagious, and it puts a smile on your face. But if I'm not in the mood to watch YouTube or something like that, then I might just drive around, night drives, you know how it is, or even just go for a hike, go to a viewpoint, whatever it might be. But yeah, so that's a good way to boost my happiness if I'm ever feeling down. KK Subi said, how many years have you had the bug eye? I've had it for about 6.5 years. ReedTaylor.b7, shout out to you, man, appreciate you. How do you always manage to stay so happy and positive when you undoubtedly get a lot of hate? Honestly, the hate kind of fuels me in a very weird way. I know that's kind of cringy to say, but it just keeps me going, because if they're hating, I must be doing something right? I don't really like that I just said that, but I don't know, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just a happy person. Like, I have a very good mindset. I used to be not like this, and I used to be very sad, but now I'm a very happy person. My mom even asks me all the time, like, how are you so happy? Like, considering, you know, your dad and I are like polar opposites, how the heck are you so positive and happy and energetic? And truthfully, I don't know. That's just who I am. I've taught myself to be happy as much as I possibly can. How many lips have you broken so far? Said Josh_206, good name. 11, I think it is. 11 of these at least. I've broken a bunch of eBay lips too. If you had a chance to redo your build, would you still pick a WRX? Said Jack Riley Wilson. Yes, if I had the chance to redo anything, honestly, I wouldn't change a damn thing. Everything has led me to this very point, so I wouldn't. But if I had to, yeah, I would definitely pick a WRX again. McAllister.Sterling said, if I want to make my car kind of look like yours, does that mean I'm copying your build? No, but if you like go, you know, T for T, like you go and get the same splitter, the same this, the same headlights, the same grill, the same everything, then maybe a little bit. But like, if you just add your little touch to it, like even a different car color, then I wouldn't say so. But if you did exactly the same, then yeah, I would say it's copying. But I mean, to be completely honest, there was a car down in LA that I saw that had, it was a Hawkeye, it was blue with XD9s, is one of the first out there, and I've always liked that, and that was my goal for this car. So I guess people can say I'm copying, but my car looks nothing like his, other than the fact it's blue with these white wheels. So that.boy.sultan said, you should rate people's builds. Yeah, I mean, if you want to see that, guys, let me know down below. I would absolutely love to give some feedback towards your guys' cars. Emiliano _ E46, shout out to you, hometown. Do you miss your hometown? Yes and no. Like, I miss the people, but I don't really miss like living there. Like, it's a great place to visit, don't get me wrong, and I'm actually visiting when this video is uploaded. Mostly I just miss the friends. I don't really miss living in California. It's just really expensive, a lot of rude people, traffic, you know the drill. How has it been starting your own business? I strive to be able to do the same, said StashioMcKay1.jp. That was so butchered. It's been good. It's very time consuming, it's very rough because you spend a lot of money and time, and there's no, like, the payout is essentially going to come in the future, so you just got to kind of believe in yourself. Zack Snyder 19 said, favorite car related YouTube channel besides yourself? That's a great question. I actually like the Stradman. His energy is pretty up there, I would say, and I like just clicking on his videos, and he's just a happy person. But there's a lot of other YouTubers I watch, like Adam LZ and TJ Hunt and whatever, but their energy is kind of lackluster. Like, they make great content, but it's like I don't click on it, and it's like they're just like, hey guys, how you guys doing? We're doing this today, and it's very monotone. Although their channel stuff is really good, I feel like they just don't have the energy sometimes. Unless like Calvin's in the vlog or something like that, then the energy goes through the freaking roof. Gavin.Britton said, favorite road trip you've taken? My favorite road trip that I've taken was down to Subifest last year. It was actually this time last year, like pretty much a year ago today. I drove down to LA with the bumper on, static, yes, the whole 9 yards. Yeah, that whole like 2,500 mile road trip in a car that's an inch off the floor. For all you static people out there, you don't have excuses, especially you bagged people. Soren _ PDX said, thoughts and feelings on the Portland car scene / community. I think Portland car scene is actually one of the best out there, despite what everyone says. Everyone always says the car scene's always toxic and all sorts of things like that. More or less, it's just the people you hang out with. The car scene's really not that toxic. I think the car community up here is very tight-knit, and the people are really nice up here, and people are relatively like including into their, you know, crews or whatever it might be. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it with this Q&A. Appreciate you guys for watching. This Friday's video is going to be a walk around of the whole car. I'm actually gonna film right now. And I also hope you guys enjoyed last Friday's video, which was the Lexus vlog with the new VERTEX bumper, which I'm super stoked for. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm trying out here. I'm working my ass off to get these videos out for you guys. It's actually a lot of work, and I didn't realize, so respect to any YouTubers out there that are doing this. It's a lot of freaking work. If you're still watching this towards the end, comment down below. I respect you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you Friday. Bye, guys.